According to the product rule, we write the derivative of product of two functions fg. This is written as f prime times of g plus f times of g prime, where f prime is the short form of the derivative of function, that is f prime is equal to f prime of x, and g prime, this is short form of writing g prime of x, which is the derivative of g of x. Now let's do the part B. We are given that f of x equals 5x squared minus 2. We then have to find the f prime of x, which is the derivative of f of x. So here we utilize the power rule. So I put the constant 5, and then we have to find the derivative of x squared using power rule, which is 2x. And then derivative of negative 2, which is a constant, is 0. So it's simply 5 times of 2x, and this equals 10x. Now let's find the derivative of g of x, which is given as x cube plus 3x. So once again, we use the power rule. The derivative of x cube using the power rule is 3x squared, plus the derivative of 3x is 3 is a constant, and derivative of x is 1. So we put 3 times of 1, and this is simplified to 3x squared plus 3. We then substitute into the derivative formula for the product of two functions. So first I'm going to write down y prime equals the derivative of f, which is 10x, times the g function, which is the x cube plus 3x. So I will have to write x cube plus 3x here. We then put plus, then multiply with the function f, which is 5x squared minus 2 times of f prime of g prime of x, which is the derivative of g of x, which is 3x squared plus 3. So we will simplify this expression. So therefore y prime, this equals, we distribute this 10x with the two terms inside the brackets. 10x times x cube is 10x power 4, and 10x times plus 3x is 10 times 3 is 30, and x times x is x squared. And we can FOIL out this. So 5x squared times of 3x squared is 15x squared. Then 5x squared plus 3 is 15x squared. I'm sorry, this is 15x power 4, because x squared times x squared is x power 4. Let's move to the next product, that is negative 2 times of 3x squared is negative 6x squared. We then have negative 2 times of positive 3 is negative 6. So these two are like terms. 15x squared minus 9, 6x squared is basically. So I'm going to write down this as 9x squared. Now let's simplify. So we have y prime. This equals 10x power 4 plus 15x power 4, which is 25x power 4. We then have 30x squared plus 9x squared, which is 39x squared. And finally, we have this negative 6. So therefore, this expression y prime is the derivative of y. It's 25x power 4, because we are adding 10x power 4 plus 15x power 4. It's 25x power 4 plus 39x squared minus 6 is the expression for the derivative of y.